Hey, what's up guys? My name is Rain Sagal, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a order tracking page and a delivery an email notification email for your customers. A tracking number, basically confirmation email. So let's just jump right into it. So how do you create the order tracking page? Well, it's quite simple. So what you want to go ahead and do is go to online store. You want to go to pages. And from here, what you want to go ahead and do is just press add page. So I'm obviously on a sample store that I just recently created just now before the video, and you just want to type in track order. Once you've typed in track order, what you can go ahead and do is press the show HTML button over here. Once you've done that, what we want to go ahead and do is actually get the order tracking script that I have left in the description. You want to paste that in here, and you can just go ahead and press save from there. Awesome. So if we just view it in our online store, you can see here that we've got it now. I'm not sure whether this tracking number works or not, but let's just take a look. Okay, so it doesn't really work anymore. I think it's quite an old tracking number, I believe. Yeah. So anyway, once we've added that in there, you can see that we've got an order tracking page. We obviously want to add it over here as well as a navigation. So what you want to go ahead and do from here is go to navigation, and you can press main menu. Bam. And you can press add menu item, press link, and press pages and track order. Something a lot of people don't tell you about, or they don't know, is that you don't really have to type in a name over here. You can just press this and then press go through the process and add the tracking page. So now we can just press save menu. Once that has been done, what you want to go ahead and do is actually go to settings, go to your notifications. Hold on just one moment. I don't know why it's running so slow. Okay, there we go. Awesome. Now we can press notifications, scroll down, and go to shipping confirmation. Now that we're on the shipping confirmation thingy, you want to add the email confirmation that I will add in the description as well. There should be a link or something that you can use for this. Now what you want to go ahead and do is just do Command F and just do your store. So you can see here yourstorename.com/pages/track order. You can just copy the URL for your store and paste it in here. Bam. Once that has been done, you can press save. Awesome. So now that you've saved that, you can just refresh this page. You've got track order here now, and you've got your tracking number thingy over here. Awesome. And I just want to show you guys the email. So if we just press preview here, you can see your order is on the way. Good news, we've just shipped out your order. You can copy your tracking number below and enter it in the order tracking page to view your delivery status. Tracking number, blah, blah, blah. If your tracking number isn't working, please wait 2 to 3 days and try again. In most cases, your order is on the way, but the system information is delayed. And obviously, I'm not selling these sunglasses, but yeah, that's just a random product that's Shopify generated. And when the customer press track your order, it's actually going to bring them to the tracking page that we linked them to. Visit our store is actually going to bring them to the store. So that's basically it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's kind of short, but I just wanted to make everything clear for you guys, how you can take your store to the next level. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.